My name is Cymone Wilder, and I'm a lettering artist based in Nashville, Tennessee. I would describe my work as being very crunchy and tactile. Like you picked it up out of the dirt and dusted it off rather than created it on a computer. It's very driven by the textures that I use. There are a lot of things that influence my work. The lyrics I hear in songs, the styles and the feelings that some of this music would make me feel. Come on into my space here. I like to be surrounded by as much inspiration as I can pack onto these walls. I have a nice little collection of records that I can spin. I also have, this standing workspace where I can get a little crazy and messy. Sometimes I'm influenced by the funny things that I hear my friends say, or even some weird phrases that I see around town on billboards. And I sometimes just like to flip those on their heads to make my pieces. I like to start with my good clean sketch here, and then grab just a scrap of tracing paper, crumble it up, flatten it out, stick it on top, and then grab a pick. So the first thing I like to do when I have my artwork in Photoshop is just take a little feathered brush and go around the edges to make that edge disappear once we start adding some adjustment layers. Just bump up the contrast, play with the brightness a little bit. Oftentimes like to make it black and white. And I'll bump some curves just to add a little extra sauce. And since the edges are still showing up a little bit, I might just add a couple more adjustment layers to really make that disappear. And then you're good to go.